Hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you some of these oils. They are really incredible oils. We have strawberry oil, which is naturally high in high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, and it hydrates and softens the skin. And then you have poppy seed oil, which is not just for cooking, but it is high in fat, so it works wonders in softening the skin and keeping it supple and hydrated. It's an incredible oil. And then you have our Abyssinian oil, which is light and non-greasy. It absorbs great into the skin, and it's very good for getting a natural silk press, shiny and soft hair. And you have cranberry seed oil, which is known for its anti-aging properties. It's a unique oil because it has equal amounts of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, so it promotes stability and softens the skin. Pomegranate oil is a unique and rare source of conjugated linoleic acid. It's dark orange and really strong, pleasant scent of pomegranate seeds. You would love this.